Hello viewers, today we are at Asia's biggest franchise event held by Franchise India at Yashobhoomi Delhi. So we have Mr. Ashish Kaushik, a colleague and a founder with us. So Ashish, we are making this video today to explain to our viewers what exactly we do, how we do, what all plus points we have, what all legacy we have, what all things we provide to our franchise. So first of all, thank you Ashish for being with us today at the Yashobhoomi to attend this event. So Ashish, we are seeing a lot of points over here. You have elaborated a lot of good points what I am able to see. So what you wanted to start with, what do you think we should start with so that our viewer will engage with us and
Yes, Sagar. So first thing I would like to tell you that Indian real estate is a very big growth story. It started in baby steps and now it has reached almost $585 billion industry Indian real estate has become. And if you see the magnitude of business, it has power to impact the lives of lot many entrepreneurs. They can live the life of their dreams. And only real estate had that kind of power because it has lot of demand and lot of good profits also. And the customers, they also become happy when you give them a good home. It becomes a permanent relationship with that customer. So we work on those things where we can meet customers' expectation, give them happiness, give them their dream home, and still be profitable. And profitable for the entrepreneurs, the prospective entrepreneurs who want to start a business. It is the best opportunity because it is a lifestyle business. You can live the life of your dreams. You can have lot of free time because the heavy lifting is being done by Regrop technical team. So it's a business of all the advantages. Very few disadvantages are
so
there.
I asked one question from our colleague Vivek as well. I'll ask the same question from you, Ashish. What do you think Regrob provides the best in the market, or maybe the unique thing which no one will provide to a franchise prospect, or maybe to a person who wanted to start something of their own, or wanted to start something
Yeah.
with Regrob?
See, the prospective, I want to tell the prospective entrepreneurs that they should start lean. They should be lean because if you are, let us say, doing a food business, is extremely heavy, and the margins are pretty lower because there is a lot of competition. But in real estate, there is very high demand and high margin. And the best thing at Regrop, what we have done, first thing, we are in the sunrise sector. And we are in an industry which is never stopping. People are consistently buying home. They buy one home, then they look for the second one, then they look for the commercial property. So it's a never ending process. Your one customers buys 2-3 times from you. Plus we have built a system where all the heavy lifting is done by us. You get the leads, you get the training, you get the builder tie-ups, you get everything technology, so you can run the business from your mobile. You are in a very profitable industry, I would like to say. You are lean as well as extremely profitable.
Ashish, I have one question which generally came to my mind right now. Some crises are going on in Middle East. India has also been affected by these crises. Modi ji have said not to buy gold. So, what do you think? Not to buy gold. What to do with that investment?
Yes, see, real estate is world's largest asset class, and in India, more than 75 to 80% people's money, people's saving is in real estate. So, if people are not buying gold, people are not buying stocks, they will buy real estate because that is the real asset, and that is psychologically easier also. You buy a stock, the company may go down, company may go up, but when you buy real estate, you are linked to the economy of that location. Real estate never goes down. You can see some slips here and there, 10-20%, but in a period of 5 to 10 years, it always gives you a lot of money. In your life, I would like to address to customers that in your life you must have seen lot of people who have made lot of good money from real estate. So real estate is the growth story of India, and as India is growing, lot of good factors like urbanization, businesses are coming up, shopping malls are being built, infrastructure is improving. Indian real estate growth story has just begun.
That's a good thought, I believe, Ashish, because I'm also thinking on the same way where markets are uncertain. People are not going that much into the market. That is going on and off. Where Modi ji said not to buy a new gold. So real estate is the only sector where people will invest at this particular time. So I believe 1 year would be the golden era for real estate.
Definitely.
So thank you, Ashish, for your time.
Yeah,
and
thank you, Sagar.
meeting you.